Okay, for part 3 of Lab 1, I am going to show you how to utilize our class's SharePoint account. So head over to your Chrome browser, and I do recommend that you use Chrome. If you have a Gmail account, then you will have your own personalized Chrome account and you can save bookmarks, which can be a huge time saver. You can see for me under work, I have folders with multiple bookmarks in each one, and I can't tell you how much time that saves throughout the workday. Another nice thing is that Chrome saves your username and passwords, which everybody knows is also a huge help. Okay, so what we're going to do is go log into our eRater account. Okay, we are going to click on email. Sorry about that. Okay, and once again, we're at Office 365. If you do want to get to your email, you can click on Outlook. Now here's a little trick. You can also, if you want to leave this page open, right-click on your email and choose Open Link in New Tab. Okay, that way you can access your email and also jump back here to home. But what we're going to work on right now is SharePoint. So I'm going to right click on here and choose Open Link in New Tab. Okay. And I have created groups for every class that I've taught in the past few years. You won't see the Fall 2019 group over here. It's public though, so all you need to do is type in NRM 4403 Fall 2019. Okay, and then click on this, and this is going to be our class's home base for project data downloads, as well as the place where you will drag and drop your finished assignments. So if you go to Documents, you will see all of the folders that I've created. Okay. And there's one for projects 1, 2, you can see your student work drops. All right, so what you can do is you can follow this site. Okay, you can become a member since it's public, and I would recommend you do that. And if you are on Chrome, you can bookmark this site. Okay, and what I am going to do is I'm going to delete all of this name information because there's one of these little icons here. I'm going to save it to my bookmark bar, hit done. I'm going to open this up. It's all the way down here at the bottom, and I'm going to grab this since I'm going to be using it quite a bit this semester, and I am going to place it to the right of my TTU OneDrive account, which is something else we'll be using quite a bit this semester. So this is a great way to get organized. This is again where we will be putting our data and where you will be dragging and dropping your student work. So for example, if you just click on this, you'll be dragging your PDFs in here with your name, and then I can correct them. All right, so that is how you will use our class's SharePoint account.